We're right in front of the ocean. Beautiful view. I can see Atlantis hotels like right there. Right there, to the mall. Going. This is the lobby. It's a really big lobby with 5 checking lines. Yeah, we went to the vault, yeah. We're going shopping. Yep. See you later. Bye. Okay guys, we're here at the mall. This is 36.5, but my size is 6. Thank you. What do you guys think? Does it look cute? I like it. It's big on me. Fun dress my mom found and picked for me. It's really cute. You can honestly wear this anywhere. And I picked this one, this black one. I'm gonna wear tonight. I love the detailing, the straps, and the pink color is really nice. This one. So I'm wearing this one and the black one and the pink one. And really good.
The third one is a very special.
Okay, the last one that we like is called Midnight Glow.
Eat, and I have something very special in Arabic.
Okay.
And it would be the last. I wish it's good.
Ta-da! The special box, special offer. That's a cute box for makeup.
$465 US dollars, so 50 dirham. 465. But I want to show you something about the box.
I don't know. Okay, so we are trying to decide what to eat at the food court. Yeah, don't know what we should eat. Okay, so we got Jollibee, burgers and fries, and a little bit of Indian touch, Indian taste. We got pani puri or dahi puri, whatever you call it. I guess this is called dahi puri because he said he made it ready for us. So the pani puri is the one that you make it yourself. So yeah, my burger looks like. So this is Jollibee burgers. It's chicken with bacon, beef bacon and cheese inside.
نظرة ميزان تشهد لك ما